everybody, and welcome to the Game Pound Presents White Noise. Happy Halloween, everybody. Oh, we got a treat for you tonight. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a rip off the Enderman if you ever played it. If not, I suggest you download it. It is free.
This game, unfortunately, White Noise is not free. It costs $1 on Xbox Live. Slenderman, though, you can find any free game of that on the computer. Go play it right now. I guarantee you'll have the time of your life. All right, Cody, you ready to get into this?
I guess.
As ready as we're ever gonna be. That's just. Alright, I'd just like for the fans to know, we have every single light in our house turned off. I am home alone. There is nobody with me that I know of. But, let's get going. The countdown of death.
My room is actually big, so it's like empty and it's a dog. My TV is the only thing that's my life.
Okay, so the point of the game is we're supposed to be finding tape recorders. Cody, where are you? We got to stick together. If we go apart, the game will quit. Which way do you want to go?
I guess this way.
All right. If you can notice, the turning is very slow. You cannot turn up the sensitivity at all. I chose the guy with the brightest flashlight so I can illuminate it the best I can. Make sure you guys can see stuff. You can see it. Okay.
A little bit. What's in that room over there?
How about you go in and let me know? I don't want to go in there.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's not a room with... Oh, yeah, it is. Is it?
What the frick are these containers? Swear to God, if I see... just letting you guys warning, once I see this monster, I am not, in control of my actions, so if I let a big FU fly, I am sorry, and I apologize in advance.
Wait, there's a first tape over there.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
And you don't have to go there because I don't... Oh, wait, yeah, I do. I do have a flip on my side.
There's a sprint button, by the way, right to this screen. Oh, you got audio a little bit. Alright, now that we got the first tape, just like Slenderman, the monster's gonna come after us.
I will warn you right now, there will be flashing on the screen, so if you are, like right now, oh God,
What?
if you are sensitive to light flashes, please exit this video because we don't want any of our viewers getting triggered.
Yeah, I'm going to have to put a parental advisory and an epilepsy warning on the front of this cover. Anyways, I cannot see a freaking thing with my light off. Press X, turn your light off. Look at that.
Turn a little bit.
Alright, we already went right, so we're going to go left now. I hope that freaking thing isn't following us.
It shouldn't be, but if it is...
People on the Game Pound have already seen it, but people on Major Max have not seen it yet. Major Max is affiliated with the Game Pound, so if you want to check out all of the videos that we've done, major stuff, go to the Game Pound now and totally subscribe. Jail cells. Fuck yeah!
Yay! We're going one.
Alright, Missy. Alright, Missy, you're in for 20 years after that cat murder you pulled out. I'm still looking behind me. I'm not trusting this place. I'm like even trying to do a bit with you, and no, that's not happening.
I just killed a cat. Why do I get 30 years?
I said 20, but if you want 30, it's 30. Wait.
No.
Well, hold on. I hear static. Check the jail cell behind me. There's static around here somewhere.
I don't hear nothing now. Wait. Now I do.
Oh, what the shit is that? What the crap? Oh, what the crap? Yeah, come out here. I think I found out what we're hearing, maybe. Look behind me. That green thing.
Whoa.
Don't look at it. It kills you.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, by the way, good news. I can now record for more than 15 minutes, so, yeah. Oh, there's static. And I found it. It's on the toilet. Get in here and look at this. It's on the toilet. Who records their mementos on the toilet? Would you just... Oh, you're not. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know where you went.
I'm down the hall. This way. Turn around. Hey!
Hey!
I'm flashing you. I know it's inappropriate. So, yeah, once again, happy Halloween. Ghosts are most active tonight. But look at that. It's on the toilet. Somebody just laid it there. And
That is a big recorder. I'll tell you what.
I'll tell you what. You go and get it. Well, what?
What? Maybe you would play a one.
Did you press A on it? You gotta press A on it.
I am. Oh.
Why do you lie to me?
I'm sorry, viewers. I am
What? Oh.
I am completely new to this game.
I walked into a door, my flashlight disappeared, and I thought I was being murdered. Okay, we got a right or a left, or straight. Stop it! I swear to God I'll come out there. My Halloween lights outside my window are knocking up against the window because it's windy, and it's sounding like little noises, and it's freaking creepy as shit. Oh, well, this is totally comforting. I totally feel okay. Oh my God! I just pissed my pants. I just pissed my pants. Oh my God. Yeah, there's a tape recorder in here somewhere. We gotta get it.
No, I don't wanna.
He's gone. Okay, we gotta find the tape recorder. Found it. Okay, let's get the fruit out of here. This way. Right there. I'm running. And these guys got the worst stamina in the world. They can run like for 2 seconds and then they're dead. They're worse than Call of Duty people. What the crap? It's moving. It's following us. What was that?
I don't know.
What was that?
I am so sorry, viewers.
Where are you going?
What?
No, we gotta stay together. Okay, let's go.
You would have to deal with my cussing in this video. I am so sorry for that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna slap a parental advisory on the front and just say, deal with it. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna be like, parental advisory. If you can play this game without cussing, then more power to you. What the hell is this?
No news really right now, but...
I don't think this is a game to be doing news to. Just saying. This is a game to be changing your underwear to. What is that? Is that a can? What's breathing? I hear breathing. Cody, quit breathing.
Okay.
Dark Hallway 1 or Dark Hallway 2?
Well, Dark Hallway 3.
There's a Dark Hallway 3. There's a Dark Hallway 3! Let's go 3. This one looks weird.
Yeah. 3 is a good number.
How many tapes do we got? I think we got 2, right? 3, yeah, 3. Man, we suck.
What's this? Wait. What's this play?
Wait.
Come on, man.
I thought I heard static. Another one? But that, yeah, that is static. Hey, this way. There's static and another one of them green blobs.
There's a green blob everyone. It really kills you to be outside it.
Where's the found it. Number 4. Hopefully I don't get slaughtered trying to do it. Maybe this has like his thoughts and stuff on it, so you know. He's not a vlogger. Or a togger?
I don't want to be at it.
Ah, there's nothing, I just did.
I thought I would. Let's go this way. We never went this way yet.
We haven't gone the other way either. What? Hello? Hello? Don't do it, don't do it.
We haven't that video yet.
I swear to God. I think something's behind me. There is something, but I know there is. I can hear it. I'm running. Screw that. I'm out. Good job on choosing left here, bro. Oh, okay, let's go right. Let's. We just went in a big circle.
Yes, we did.
Thank God for the left. I don't want to play this game anymore. I chose the brightest flashlight too, but I also dimmed down my TV, so I guess it counterbalances each other. Straighter. Let's go left, Mr. Left. You can leave for a bit. Let you get front camera first. I look a library.
Where did it take?
He forgot how to count. That's definitely an object. That is definitely an object, ma'am, sir.
That is a good object. That is a good object.
What are you? What? No. What? What? I heard whispers. I am not shitting you. I heard whispers. I hear. Oh my God. Where are you? Where are you?
What? I hate boxes. I mean, when I was a kid, I built a castle out of boxes, but they fell down on me, and one of the corners of the boxes hit me right in the eye. It was not pleasant.
What are we doing here? What are these characters even doing in this place? Why couldn't they come during the day? Flip on the power. I don't know.
Why can't we go shopping at night? If we just shopping yeah.
Man, my flashlight battery is dead. I can't see shit. Yeah. Batteries are dead. That's what they... Missile room. Let's go to the missile room.
I'm sorry, I forgot you viewers not see when I turn on my flashlight.
I keep flipping it on and off. That's what it looks like. That's... yeah. Found it. Now you can say 6. Woo! We're actually doing pretty... We're going to beat this thing.
Shut up! Just treat you guys.
Okay, here's the deal. Folks, if we don't beat it, we'll come back until we do. Unfortunately, I don't know why I just said that. Oh my God. Cody, we gotta beat it.
Yes, we do. I think that we can go this way.
Yeah, I was just checking out what was up there first. But yeah, I was, okay. What is that? What is that? Nothing's good in this game. What? 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 What's it up? What are we arguing about? It's more scary when you don't know what he's... Let me just... Jesus Christ, man.
I'm telling you, if I just busted out of this one.
Wait, where'd you go?
Hey.
I forgot you can see me with your flashlight on. I was trying to scare the crap out of you.
How do we do that?
We just man up and do it. Come on, I'll lead.
Okay. So now we flashlight, maybe.
Now, you can still see him. Next time I see him, I'll show the viewers what he looks like with the flashlight off. Or the next time you see him, just turn your flashlight off. We can't go across that. You followed me?
I just forgot who really
Once again, parental advisory. Gonna be on the front. You don't need to apologize. I mean, we are sorry we have to, or you don't have to, but that language, but still. Kind of lose control when you play a game that scares you. Oh my God! Freaking! Okay, here's what he looks like with your flashlight off. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Oh my! I just need to. Let me just stand here for a bit. Hold on. Let me just.
I'm ready to my mom.
I know, I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. Oh! Right behind it! Run! 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 He's still right behind us. He's gonna kill. He's gonna murder. He's gonna eat our soul. He's gonna eat our soul. Oh my God! He's gonna rape us in the face.
No! I don't want it to kill.
I don't want. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my God! I'm sorry for yelling. Oh my God. This was a terrible idea.
It was your idea. Okay.
Did we split up? Oh my God, we're not with each other. Oh my God. Okay, we're together. All right.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna have to like hunt some puppies after this.
God. Okay. You got it. Okay.
Oh, yeah, nope, we're going this way. Yep, we're gonna follow you.
Okay.
I'm sweating like a mother freaker right now.
I am too, but
Oh my God. Seriously, if you guys are watching this, or, no, it's not even compared. You gotta get this game, lights out, put some headphones on and play it. You won't even sleep tonight.
I even have headphones on. Wait, did we just say that?
I don't know. Desktop seems familiar. I don't know if you've been in this room. Nothing was creeping in the dark. Well, what? What? I heard your character scream.
Oh God! What?
That's what he looks like with your flashlight off, guys. I gotta look away. I'm gonna die.
That's not his deal. I didn't mean to miss the camera. Oh my God.
Cody, I'm sorry. I'm gonna die. I'm going to. Oh, never mind. There's a passageway this way. I think we're apart.
I'm dead.
You're dead?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, isn't that cool how it looks when you die?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I'm so sorry, Jesus. If you're still with me right now, after that big yell, I want to say thank you. I really do.
Oh, imagine my Silent Hill gameplay I'm going to be playing. My flashlight is officially about to die. I can literally not see anything anymore. Unless if it's right in front of me, it's nothing. I'm going to die. I don't know. I'm borrowing it from one of my friends. It seems like a one-player game. At first I thought it was Siren Blood Curse, and I was like, oh man, that game is just like, Siren games, they get me. They make me cry like a little baby. I hear monster, I hear monster, I hear monster.
Oh my God, I hate tomatoes.
Okay, viewers, I am terribly sorry. I know you can't see anything, but don't worry, I can't either.
Okay, so, this video should be, what is your nightmare?
What is your favorite nightmare? No, what is your worst nightmare? How about that? Yeah, that's a good question.
Hey, Mark, you know the green goop thing?
Yes.
I might buy it and it's totally...
Totally what? You can just cut out on...
It's totally white.
Yeah, whenever you die, everything changes colors and stuff. But, if you don't have a worst nightmare, here's another one for you. What's your worst fear? Fear. I'm trapped between him and that green goop.
Still is sad. I was always looking for that. But, you can also feel other things.
Like spiders, they're freaking terrible. I hate them. Okay, he's ganging up on me. The green goop in the gang. Don't look at the green goop. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Run. Don't look at it. Run. Oh my God. Okay.
I'm really trying to find you. But I can't.
I even forgot about the page. I'm just crying for myself. Alright, next time I run into him, I'm just going to kill myself because I literally, I don't think you guys can really even see anything right now, so... Show you what happens when you die. And on the next game, I will be sure to die first so you can see what it looks like after you are dead.
Oh, no! No! Oh, God. That's... Oh, God. That's sort of... Get me up.
Man, I can't find any cakes. Oh my God, I didn't even try to die. Oh, I didn't even try to die. Oh my God. I'm gonna just... 6 days. At 22 minutes, man.
Well, that was a good one.
Okay, we're gonna have to cut it there. That's the first episode. I hope you guys enjoyed White Noise. We're putting ourselves through this just for you guys. Alright, stay tuned. Next one will be up right after this. You should totally check it out. This has been The Game Pound. Cody, you want to say something?
Happy Halloween, viewers.
And have a good one.
Bye!